Today we will be working on a 2009 Nissan 370Z. I'm going to be changing the batteries on the key fob for my Nissan. First thing you want to do is lift up on this little tab right here where my thumb's at and pull the key out like so. And the key comes straight out of here. You want to take a screwdriver, you're going to stick it into these little slots right here and just kind of twist it open. It's going to open it up. And there's your battery. Use your little screwdriver. Just going to pop it out. And it is a 2032. So I got my new battery right here. Another 2032. This one comes with a little sticker on the back. Just go ahead and take that off. Make sure you put it face down, the numbers facing down. Get it right in there. Take your cover, snap it right back into place, and then this little slot right in here, it's right where your key fits. And you're all done.